step into the 2012 Chevrolet Traverse. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include emergency communication system, power windows, power door mirrors, rear seat center armrest, body side moldings, tachometer, and roof rack, rails only. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.